Afternoon guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back to our channel. So today's video is another transporter video, but this is a T6.1 and we have done USB retention. Now the factory fitted cubby hole down by the gear stick comes from factory with two USB-Cs. Now you're probably going, why is he holding up some weird thing? This is a little circuit board and this comes from factory and it allows you to plug in your USB-C devices. So whether that's Android or Apple or anything else that's USB-C, these come from factory with them fitted. We haven't seen one that hasn't had them fitted, but in many situations we have upgraded the radio, and as soon as we unplug the plug at the back of the actual radio itself, these become dormant. So finally we've had a standalone solution that wasn't part of another cheaper kit that allows us to upgrade, which is what we've done today. We fitted an Alpine Halo 11, which is a digital media receiver. We've taken out the factory USB circuit board, USB-C, and fitted in an aftermarket solution with fly leads that then connect into the Alpine system so that these are as useful as they were before. So join me inside and we'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so we're now sat inside the front cabin here of this van. Now, as I said earlier, we have removed the factory radio and we fitted the whopping 11-inch Alpine Halo in here. But if we can draw your focus down to here. So this is the factory fitted USB-Cs. Nothing that you see here has changed. It's what is going on behind the scenes that has changed. So we've removed this little circuit board, fitted an aftermarket circuit board, which you'll see during the video, and that allows not USB-A, because obviously that's old technology and not many people are fitting USB-A anymore, but it allows USB-C. So here's USB-C, found on the newer iPhones and on Android devices. So this USB-C here will plug in like so, and then we can plug it directly into the bottom of our iPhone that's compatible or Android handset that's compatible for direct access for one, charging, and two, because we fitted Apple CarPlay or a system that supports Apple CarPlay, one of these leads will then be direct wired solution for Apple CarPlay. Now, It's handy to have two, admittedly. One of them is just a generic charger. So if you are having struggles or problems with your phone connecting to Wi-Fi or wireless connectivity, you can just plug your device in, and then that will still give you access to your music and maps through the wired solution. Now, up until now, and where are we now? We are August 2025. Only in the last couple of months has this solution become available. As I said, there was previously a solution, and it's been around for about a year, but it's been part of a bigger fitting kit that wasn't cheap, and it was a bit naff, and we don't fit naff. We only fit genuine Alpine gear because we're an Alpine Excellence dealer. So this is now product that we add and fit in when we're doing one of these upgrades, just to make the end result as seamless as we possibly can. Now, as it happens, this customer has also been in for Alpine component adventure speakers, so that's door speakers, dashboard tweeters or A-pillar tweeters. We've done sound deadening, we fitted the Alpine Halo 11, and we've also upgraded the rear lights to the really nice transformer style T6.1 LED smoked lights, which look really, really cool. So if you've got a vehicle like this, or if you've already got an aftermarket radio and we're desperate to have these retained but haven't, do get in touch with us. It doesn't have to be Alpine, we can still provide a solution for you. So please do get in touch with us. We'll ask for a picture of these and a picture of your head unit, and then we'll be able to quote roughly fitting time is about an hour and a half, sometimes 2 hours, depending on what we find behind your head unit and who's fitted it. But if you're interested in USB-C retention, then get in touch with us now. Website links in the bio. Just search engine us for Advanced in Car, whatever search engine you use, just search Advanced in Car and then get in contact with us via the contact form. And as usual, guys, thank you for watching.